Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Tango cocktail. So this particular Tango cocktail recipe isn't the original that is featured in one of Harry Craddock's books. This comes from the Bellagio Hotel, and it was discovered back in about 2003, featured on the Difford's Guide website, and I think it's been slightly adapted, but I'm just going to get straight into it and start by measuring out 1 3/4 ounce, 52.5 ml of your preferred gin. Now, I'm using I'm partnering threefold gin with, it's got a lot of grapefruit notes because there's grapefruit juice in the drink. Otherwise, you could use another citrus forward gin, or Tanqueray 10 has a lot of grapefruit notes in it as well. So completely up to you what kind of gin you use. And 1 3/4 ounce, 52.5 ml. And I actually think this is the first time I've used Passoa on the videos. I did buy it a long time ago to use in a porn star martini and omitted it and used a different recipe, much to some people's disgust. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of this bright pink Passoa. Then 60 ml of Ribiero'd grapefruit juice. And 15 ml, half an ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. That's it. 4 ingredients, add ice to your cocktail shaker and give it a good shake. Straight into a chilled martini glass. Strain it straight in and garnish with a twist of citrus, orange or lemon. Otherwise, if you do have a half passion fruit, that'd go really nicely in this. And there you have a Tango from the Bellagio Hotel. Cheers. That's pretty tasty. I think the Passoa gets a little bit lost in it. There's probably more bitterness, and the grapefruit is the more dominant flavour. It works really well with a citrus forward gin. It's worth trying this one. And also, before I go, I've had a lot of people interested in buying the branded Steve the Bartender aprons. This is a brand new apron. I'm testing this one out, and this is the one I'll be getting. It's got a nice crossback strap. So if you guys are interested, I'll link to this in the description below, and the next one will be branded. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.